Thank you, Maria. Oh, it says welcome to New Jersey in the middle of the bridge, right? Yeah, I remember that. The last time we went through that on that one, right?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Oh, is the next tunnel over?
No, the last time we came, we went on this one right here, right?
No, we went in the next tunnel over.
Oh, really? Oh, there's a next tunnel over?
There's 3 tunnels.
Holy Jesus! Oh yeah. No, there gotta be 4 because
Yeah, there's 4.
yeah, because it's two of these like this, and then 2 of them go back. Yeah, I never really realized that. I never really put attention. I'm thinking I'm going back on the exact same tunnel. Yeah, you're right on it. Yeah. Yeah, it might have been the other one, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, Jesus. What is wrong over here? It's a little scary. It's in the highway like this. Oh, a big tractor trailer right there next to us. Oh, there I am. There. They could fit in the tunnel. I didn't realize that. Oh, yeah, we made it that way the other day, right? Over there like that. Now what? Now what? Only straight?
That's straight.
Huh? One way? Yeah. Yeah, one way.
No, I really don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere.
Yes. Well, right here. I'm not going over there. I'm going. Now what? Straight?
Yeah, I guess it goes straight.
Yeah, straight. Okay, let me see. Let me see. 41st. Yeah, right here. I went to the 41st right here. Yes. Oh, we got the Manhattan Plaza parking right there. What is it? Oh, it's so beautiful, right? Beautiful buildings, right, baby mommy? Yes. Yeah. It's so nice. Oh, did you put it warm again?
No.
No?
You put it here.
Oh, no wonder it's not getting cold. I'm thinking, what's going on? I'm sorry about the music, okay, Mama? But I'm so scared about these roads, okay? Okay, Kayla?
It's okay.
Okay. Thank you. There we go. I could go to 41st. Towards the end? Or 41st? Yeah. That should take me to the Hudson River right there. And then when we come back the same way over here, but we go right there. We go right there.
Yeah.
Right there. Right there. Like that. You go right into the tunnel. Or right there, or on the other one too. The other one too, I guess. But this one is not. That's where we went the other day. Yes, right? But this is where we will park. This is where we will park because this is 11. Remember that? Yeah. We will wait back there. Okay, look behind you.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. Oh, no picture. Pier 81. This is Pier 81. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put it behind you. I'm not going to get anywhere. Except right here like this, man. I can go right here like this, man. Oh, they got tacos over there. Tacos. Daily cruises. Oh, they got cruises over there too. You gonna cruise? Oh, wow. That's something, you know. Look at this. It's good to come out of that town. You know, we see something different. Like we get amazed by seeing things like that. Like, you know, like cruises. I never really put attention, and we come here a lot. Oh, that's 3, right? Yeah. Yeah. Pier 83. I never put attention to Pier 83, Pier 81 right here. You see that? Yeah. Something. That's something. I know this is 42. I think there's 2 cars all the way back there. I'm trying to make it to 46. 46 is right after the bridge. Remember that? Yeah. And this would have been like 44. You wanna try 44, Kayla? No, 46, right? It's more secure, right? Yeah. Like more sure, right? This only the blocks are very tiny anyway. Look at that's 45 and 46 coming right here, right after the bridge. Now you know your area.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, mommy. Got a lot of empty spaces around here. I know, right? Look at the way they clean them. They clean the cars over here. Look at it. Yes. We will park right there, right? But not this time. We're gonna try it. This is number 11. Number 11. The one coming is 10. So right after 10, right? That's where we'll try to park. Oh, look at that! That's a parking lot official over there. I just hope we find a space. This is 10 right here coming up. This is 10 coming up. This one coming up is 10. I think I already put a 9 on it. This one's 10, right, mommy? Is this where we went to pick up the pizza over there from Blacks over there? Yeah, right?
I think so, yeah.
Was it 10 or 9? Oh, 9. I forgot. Oh yeah, it was 9. It was 9. Or 8, I think it was 8 because we came this way towards 10 to the car with the pizza. Remember? Because we parked here somewhere.
Oh no, yeah, it was Upper Street.
Yeah. It was 9 or 10. It was 9 or 8, Mama.
Because we were parking around right here.
Around here? Yeah, around here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we park a little further over, okay?
We
Yeah.
parked like right there.
Yeah.
Because I remember the park being right behind us.
Yeah. No, we park back here in the back.
I know, that's what I just said.
Oh yeah. Okay. Should I be closer? Like this?
Yeah, get closer.
Well, not very close either.
Because we also need space to back up.
Yeah. Like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we got it. Because it's gonna be super crowded later on, right? Okay, let me show my this one. Oh. No. I think this time I'm gonna carry on my chest. I'm not gonna do the shoulder. Did the shoulder look okay, Kayla, or look better in the chest?
But
This.
That?
Yeah. The shoulder or the chest is better?
The chest was better.
Is better?
I mean, the shoulder.
The shoulder?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It looks more professional, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Let me see. Let me see parking spaces, okay?
Okay.
Oh, because I don't wanna be. Oh yeah, the bars over there, right? The bar we parked in front of those bars, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the last time. Only about 3-4 cars over.
Yeah. Do I bring my sweater or no? Just in case.
Oh, I would say no. I mean, like I don't know, like nothing cold over here. I'm not even bringing my coat. Watch my wire, okay? Let me hold this, okay, please?
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay. Yeah, I know. I already got mine. You got my towel and everything?
Yes.
No.
I'm not putting okay, back up. Look at this. Look at shut the door. Oh, you say the shoulder is better, right? The
Yeah.
shoulder is better, right?
Yeah.
Shit.
That's okay. No, it's okay.
Okay.
That's good.
Oh, you want to hold it? Oh, thank you.
No, I was just telling you that that's good.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. Let me see. No, I'm sorry. Can't. Yeah, I'm sorry.
I haven't eaten in 2 days. Nobody has given me nothing.
I know. I'm sorry.
You're not sorry.
Okay, it's okay. Come on then.
Give me a second. So my shoulder strap is not here. So I gotta go with the chest. Smells like fucking towels. Fucking towels. They got gone. Cats. They can clean the house.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. go, the guy goes, give me something for some, because I haven't eaten in 2 days and stuff like that. But he's walking. And I go, I'm sorry. He goes, you're not sorry.
That's what he just do too.
He goes, you're not sorry. And he goes, I go, I'm sorry. And you know, because I don't have no money, you know. He goes, no, you're not sorry.
Yeah.
And then he walks away cursing. I'm like,
Yeah, he was cursing me too.
Really?
I said I need something
you
to
too?
eat.
Yeah, oh God. Have a nice day.
All right, you too. Take care.
Bye-bye, thank you. So I forgot my macro. Oh, sure. Sorry, man. Sorry. No, you know why? Because I'm not used to being this high, because I didn't have it that high the other day. I just had it lower, you know. So yeah, I was gonna talk to the camera, but we don't have no microphones this time. So we're gonna settle with the view. I mean, whatever. You know? So this is what we're gonna show you. With no voice. Well, if my voice could be here, it's gonna be faded because it's gonna be far away. Ah, here it is, right? That far? Right here, huh? Because I had it like this.
Yeah, all you gotta do is just shrink it down and just carry it.
Yeah. Shrink it down. Like this. Or like this.
Yeah, that's perfect actually.
Perfect, like that.
Yeah, because then it's not too far.
It's not too far.
But it's far enough.
Far enough. Okay. Far enough, but not too far.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Like that. Okay. Where you could see us and everything.
Okay, we can cross.
Yeah. Okay. Shit. Come on. Run. Yeah. Well, that's why I say a boot bag is way better. So the key's coming out. Hey Jesus. Lord. Lordy Jesus. Jesus. Yes, perfect. I never really carry it like this, you hold it down, Kayla, but it is nice. You hold it down, Kayla? Yeah. So we're on 46th Street, going towards 7th Avenue, 8th Avenue. Towards 8th Avenue, right, Kayla?
Yeah.
Yes. Not 7. If it went 7, it would be too far. Okay, watch in front of us. Remember the other day I was walking just like this? And it was just perfectly okay.
Yeah.
What time is it?
It's
8:55? Oh my God.